Let's discuss sixth one. Log m power of n base a equal to n log m base a. Let log m base a equal to x. We know a power of x equal to m. Apply power n on both sides. Therefore, a power of x whole power of n equal to m power of n. A power of xn equal to m power of n. Apply log. Therefore, xn equal to log m power of n base a. What is the x value? X value is log m base a. Therefore, log m base a into n equal to log m power of n base a. Therefore, we can written as log m power of n base a equal to n into log m base a. Let's discuss seventh one. Log m base a equal to log m base b by log a base b. Let log m base a equal to x. Therefore, a power of x equal to m. Apply log b on both sides. Therefore, log a power of x base b equal to log m base b. We know log a power of x base b equal to x into log a base b is equal to log m base b. Therefore, x equal to log m base b by log a base b. What is the x value? X value is log m base a. Therefore, log m base a equal to log m base b by log a base b. Let's discuss eighth one. Log b base a equal to 1 by log a base b. See, in above formula, we will substitute m equal to b. M equal to b in above formula. Therefore, log b base a equal to log b base b by log a base b. We already know log b base b equal to 1. 1 by log a base b. Therefore, log b base a equal to 1 by log a base b. Let's discuss ninth formula. Log m base a power of b equal to 1 by b log m base a. We already know log b base a equal to 1 by log a base b. Therefore, log m base a power of b equal to 1 by log a power of b base m. We already know log m a power of b equal to b into log a base m. Therefore, it is equal to 1 by b into log a base m equal to 1 by b log m base a. Since we are reversing 1 by log a base b equal to log b base b. Therefore, log m base a power of b equal to 1 by b log m base a. Let's discuss last formula. Log m power of n base a power of b equal to n by b log m base a. See, we can write this as log a power of b base m power of n equal to written as n into log m base a power of b. We already know this formula. We can write this as n into 1 by b into log m base a, because we already learned above here. It is equal to n by b into log m base a. Therefore, log m power of n base a power of b equal to n by b into log m base a. See, these are the formulas. It will helpful if we remember trickily. We will solve some problems in upcoming videos. Thank you.